Assalamualaikum. Today I will show how to check our internet speed. To check internet speed, you have to use any of your browser. I am using my Google Chrome browser. This is my Google Chrome browser. In my browser I have to browse fast.com. Fast.com, which is developed by Netflix. Okay, fast.com. The fast.com will show my internet speed. Now I am getting 7.4 Mbps in my Android phone. If I want to show more info, then click here and it is showing my uploaded latency 11 millisecond. My uploaded internet speed is 62 Mbps and my public IP address is 103.12.173.233. Thank you.